Hello, Sammy fam. Today we have this giant sandwich, not just your normal sandwich. You can see here this is an intact loaf of bread, but I dug out the center all the way down to the base and stuffed it full of my magic ingredients. And those are spinach, bacon, American cheese, provolone cheese, red onion, Italian sausage, hot sauce, and garlic. And it smells delicious, guys. Wow, it's like, is this a foot long? It's big. Is this Daddy's foot-long sausage stuffed sub? Let's be accurate about it. I value accuracy. Let's see here. Oh, it's about 9 inches. Let me see if you guys can see this. About 9 inches there. Okay. You know what? 9 inches is respectable. No one's gonna complain about 9 inches. I certainly am not, especially not with this girth. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna dig right into it. It's almost like having a beautiful like Italian sausage pizza with all that spinach and the sausage and the garlic and the heat, and then the carbs are like the pizza dough wrapped around it. It's like the best version of a Hot Pocket you could ever have. And that creamy provolone, oh. Look how juicy and good that is. Just oozing with flavor and color and goodness. All that green and the red of the spicy sausage. Oh, and the onion and the garlic, these flavors all go together so well, guys. Now, just in case you want to make this yourself, all I did, you start cooking your sausage, then you add in your greens and your garlic. So you got your spinach and your garlic, some onion. You cook that down in that fat from the sausage. Add a little olive oil if you need to. The sausage I bought did not have too much fat in it, so it actually made me feel good about myself, but I added a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of water to help soften everything else up. And just cook it all and mix it together, and when that was all cooked, I added in my cheeses, and I just stirred that up, let them all melt together. I had this hollowed out piece of bread that I just used my bread knife to kind of cut a circle in and then dug it out with a spoon. I wrapped it in foil and I baked it for 350 minutes for about, or 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I unwrapped it and cooked it for an additional 10 at 200 degrees just to give a little color to the crust. And that's it, guys, you know. And this is just like a Cubano loaf, some like Cuban bread from a local place I got. And I realized I did say there was bacon in this, but then I didn't include it in the recipe. That's just because I had some leftover bacon that I just kind of threw in. And so it is in here. It just wasn't like cooked with the rest of it. I just mixed it up together. And it's good, you know. It needed a little bit of extra fat, so hey, I'll take it. All done. Just gotta eat up this final piece of good bread. Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my 9-inch sausage sandwich. I know I did. I'll see you guys next time.